Months after facing criticism from the opposition and civil society over outstation recruitment drives, Goa's pharmaceutical sector achieved a notable milestone. On Friday, the first day of their two-day job fair at GIDC's Verna Industrial Estate, over 1500 job seekers registered, setting a new record. Here's more.
I appreciate that you have come here and you have taken an initiative to employ a lot of job seekers. Well, at the end of the day, I would want you to give me also how many people you have employed. And with that, it is the endeavor of the government to see that lot of Goans or rather a lot of job seekers are employed. The Chief Minister is in the foreground, the Minister Industries also is in the foreground to see that systems are in place, new avenues, new system support so that you get a better benefit and the benefit goes back to the state. I would like to again request you to see that more and more people or other applicants from Goa are, it's not that I am being biased. I am not saying don't employ outsiders, but I am saying there is no outside. We are all living in a country called India. But at the end of the day, when we go back for our elections, people ask us what you have done for us. So if my people are going to ask me what you have done for me, I am definitely going to.
Today we have organized second pharma job fair, and this job fair was done in collaboration with the Verna Industrial Association, then with the Skill Development Department, also the Employment Exchange, and with the blessing of Government of Goa. The initiative is totally driven for local Goan youth from science, pharmacy and engineering background. We are happy that around 1500 students have registered for this product and the interview is still going on. We are pleased to see that all joint efforts by the government as well as the industry association and institutions from the engineering, pharma and science all together had made it a big success, and hundreds of local Goan youth will get the job and we'll continue this effort in future as well.
हॅलो, आयचो जो सेकंड फार्मा जॉब फेअर आमचो जालो, हाजो हो उद्देश आशिल्लो की बेसिकली आमचे जे फ्रेशर भुरगे आसा गोंयकारां BSc, MSc, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, इंजिनियरींग, डिप्लोमा आनी ITI हांच्या खातीर आमी केल्लो, आनी ह्या जॉब फेराक आमकां सुंदर प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो. आतां पर्यंत आमचे जवळ जवळ 1,500 रजिस्ट्रेशन्स जाल्या आनी अजुनूय थोडे कॅन्डिडेट्स भायर रावला. बेसिकली हो जॉब फेराचो उद्देश आशिल्लो की जे एक गॅप आसा बिटवीन फार्मास्युटिकल कंपनीज आनी आमचे जे एस्पिरंट्स आसा ते गॅप ब्रिज करचो म्हणून. सो हो एक संदी घेवन आनी हो एक जॉब फेर आमी केलो इन द सपोर्ट ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा. वी आर थँकफूल टू द ऑनरेबल CM ऑफ गोवा, आणि वी हॅव ऑल्सो डन दीस. आमी होय जॉब फेर केला इन असोसिएशन विथ डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट आणि डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज आणि थ्रू VIA आणि आमचे GPMA. सो हाका बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा आणि आमी होप करता की चडांत चड लोकांक हो जो आमी संदी एक दिला तांकां हो जॉब फेर बरो एक तांच्या करियर पाथाक किक स्टार्ट म्हणून जातलो म्हणून. टोटल आयज एक अरावंड 15 फार्मास्युटिकल कंपनीजान पार्टिसिपेट केला फ्रॉम डिफरंट पार्ट्स ऑफ गोवा, आणि तांचे रिक्वायरमेंट्स आशिल्ले BSc आशिल्ले, MSc आशिल्ले आणि ITIs, डिप्लोमाज, B.Pharm, M.Pharm. सो सगळ्यांक आमी संदी दिला आणि हो एक अंडर वन रूफ आमी केला, आणि सगळे कंपनी सुद्दां इंटरव्यू घेतला तांचे. आतां फर्दर प्रोसेस चालू आसा. सो हो एक आतां टोटल आमी जशें हांवें सांगलें की 1,500 सुमार ऑलमोस्ट रजिस्ट्रेशन जालां आमचें हांगा, आनी इंटरव्यू सुद्दां जाला. सो अजुनूय थोडे लोक भायर आसा तेच चालू आसा आमचें. सो आमचो हो एक एन्डेवर आसतलो की चडांत चड सगळ्या लोकांक हाजो एक बेनिफीट मेळूं दी म्हणून.
हिरू महाले, मनीष परब and Sangeeta Oli for Goa 365.